Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving ownership and finding the offending post. Once done, collect the original file, timestamps, and authorizations. Next, locate the exact Facebook video URL, the page or profile name, and the post date. Copy these into a note. Then sign into the account that will submit the report. Make sure you have the email tied to your copyright. Open Facebook. Go straight to Help Center and select Report a Violation so you can start the official takedown process now. You now fill the copyright report form, select intellectual property, then copyright, and follow the guided fields. Attach your proof, original video files, publication dates or registration numbers, and the URLs of every infringing copy. Describe succinctly how the content was copied and where it appears. Enter accurate contact information, then include the sworn statement and type your digital signature. This certifies your claim. Before you hit submit, review the precise legal wording and examples so your request isn't rejected for avoidable errors. Once submitted, watch your support inbox for Facebook's response. You'll see statuses like removed, declined, or counter notice. If the video is removed, confirm all copies are gone and document the outcome. If you receive a counter notice, pause, evaluate legal exposure, and consider contacting the poster or your attorney, because Facebook may restore the video unless you file suit within the specified window. Troubleshooting tip: if a report is denied, recheck proof and refile with registration numbers, or escalate to a licensed copyright agent for a strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.